Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send Shopify order notifications on WhatsApp. So imagine this, you are a Shopify seller selling some stuff, let's say t-shirts. So some guy has made a purchase of one of your t-shirt. So you want to send the confirmation message on WhatsApp, something like this. The order has been confirmed and this t-shirt will be delivered on this address. So the problem is there is no direct data flow between Shopify and WhatsApp. So in cases like these, we have to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Shopify and WhatsApp. So what Pabbly Connect will do is, whenever there is a new order created in Shopify, it will make sure that WhatsApp sends a notification to the buyer. Now this integration can be done in few easy steps. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where you can try this integration absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Shopify to WhatsApp. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Shopify, because we want to send the data from Shopify. That is why Shopify. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new order? Okay, so new order is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new order is made in the system, then what action should be taken by Pabbly Connect? Actually, there are many more trigger events like new cart, new checkout, new collection, new product, new refund. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now, in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new order is made in Shopify. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate Shopify to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to Shopify. So this is my Shopify account. And to begin the integration, how about we go to this part called as settings. At the left bottom, you will find the option called as settings. Click on settings. Okay, so this is the settings page. Here you will find the option called as notifications. Click this. Okay, so this is my notifications page. It is loading. Okay, so this is the notifications page. All you have to do is just scroll down and here you will find the option called as webhooks. Now this button, create webhook, just click this. Okay, so a window appears in front of you. So now how about we make some changes in this window? For example, in the event, how about we make it as order creation? Because we want to send the data from Shopify when there is a new order made in Shopify. Order creation, this one. Okay. The format will remain same as JSON. Now coming to the most important part, the URL. So to get the URL, let's have a visit to Pabbly Connect. So this is the URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the URL. Now coming to this part called as the webhook API version, it will remain same as 2021-01 latest. Okay, so let me just click on save webhook. Okay, so it is showing the webhook has been saved successfully. Basically, it means that we have thoroughly integrated Shopify to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime an order is made in Shopify, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to my Shopify account, clicking on the online store. Okay, then I'm going to click on catalog. Okay, so these are the products I have, and imagine this. Customer is going to make a purchase. So how about this one, Dell laptop? Okay, so the customer is just clicking on buy it now. Okay, so we are going to fill in the details. So these are the details of the customer. Okay, so the email is aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. The first name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel. The company he works is SpaceX, and this is the address, this is the apartment, this is the city. Okay, so the thing we are interested in is the phone number. So this is the phone number. Okay, 9131323916. How about we make it as the simple 9131323916. Okay, so this is the phone number. Okay, so let's just click on continue to shipping. Okay, and just click on continue to payment. Okay, so this is the card number. Focus gateway, I'm just using a dummy payment gateway. So this is the expiration date, and this is the fake security code. So let me just click on pay now. Okay, so as you can see, a purchase has been made by this guy called as Aaron, and these are the details. So this is the phone number 9131323916, and then we have the shipping address, and this is the billing address. That's both the same. Okay, so let's have a look in Pabbly Connect. Since it is integrated with Shopify, has it captured the data? So let me go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been captured. So this is the email. Okay, and then we have, let's just scroll down a little. Okay, so as you can see, these are the rest of the details. So the first name is Aaron, the address is this, and then we have the phone number, and this is the city, and then we have the zip code. Okay, so basically we have got all the details so that we can construct a message, so it can be sent via WhatsApp. Now, to send all those details via WhatsApp, we have to introduce a chat API. We will be using chat API. Okay, so to do that, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as chat API? Because we will be sending the message via chat API, WhatsApp chat API. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as send a message? Okay, so send message is basically an action event. There are many more action events like create group, send file, send link, send location. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send a message. Okay, so just click on connect with chat API. In the new credentials, we have to fill in the API URL as well as the token. So to get the API URL as well as the token, let's have a visit to chat API. Okay, so this is my chat API account. So as you can see, this is your API URL. All you have to do is simply copy this and just paste it here. Okay, now similarly with the token, simply copy this part. This is the token, simply copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so we have filled in the API URL, we have also filled in the token. So to integrate it perfectly, just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are just going to construct a message from the data that we have received from Shopify via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for example, in the contact group, so since we are sending a message to an individual person, so we don't have any data regarding the contact group, so we can ignore that. Now coming to this part called as the phone number. Okay, so before we start mapping the details, let me tell you one thing. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so let me start mapping. Let me show you how mapping is done. So this is the mapping button. So when we click this, we will find all the data that we have received from Shopify. So these are all the data that we want. So in the phone number, we basically have to introduce the phone number. So this is my phone number, 9131. Okay, so this is the phone number. Okay, but there is actually one minor problem. So as you can see, the problem is the number should start with the country code. So basically we do have the phone number of the customer, but we actually have to enter the phone number. Now this phone number belongs to India, so the country code is 91. Okay, so we have entered the phone number along with the country code. Now we can type in the message along with the details that we have received from Shopify. So the message is something like this: thank you for purchase, Mr. Miss Miss. Okay, and then we have the name. So the name is, I think, Aaron. Okay, so this is the first name, and then we have the last name. So this is the last name. Okay, so we have the first name and the last name. Thank you for purchase, Mr. Aaron. Your product, and has it mapped the data of the product? So the product was the laptop, Dell laptop. Yes, your product Dell laptop will be delivered at this address, and we can map in the address. So let me just click on the mapping button and let me just scroll down. So the address was this, and then we have the city. Do we have the city? The city was Bhopal. Okay, will be delivered at this address. Excellent. So this is the message and this is the phone number. Okay, so what we have to do is just click on save and send test request to send the message. So let me just do that. Okay, so as you can see, the API response is showing the data has been sent. Okay, so let me show you the WhatsApp message that has been delivered to the customer called as Aaron. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp message and it reads something like this: thank you for purchase, Mr. and Miss Aaron. There is no gap between Mr. and Miss Aaron. Okay, yeah, there is no gap between Mr. and Miss Aaron. That is why it is not showing any gap. Your product Dell laptop will be delivered at this address, 196 Sector 2, Shakti Nagar, Bhopal. Excellent. So the presence of this message in WhatsApp shows that we have successfully integrated Shopify and WhatsApp with help of PabliConnect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me take you and explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize my action window and I'm going to minimize this trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Shopify to PabliConnect, and then you have integrated PabliConnect to Chat API. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Shopify and Chat API. Okay, so let me go back to Shopify and let me make one more dummy purchase. So I'm going to open the catalog. Okay, so this time we are going to purchase this one, fly repellent fan. Okay, buy it now. Okay, so this time we are going to enter a different set of data. So the email is lygium123word@gmail.com. The first name is Lygium and the last name is O'Reilly, and this is the company Ample Store. Okay, so these are the details, and here we are going to enter a different set of phone number. Okay, so as you can see, we have entered the phone number. Okay, so let me just click on continue to shipping. Okay, continue to payment. Okay, so now enter some card details. Focus gateway. Okay, so this is the number. This is the security code. Just click on pay now. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, this is showing that the purchase has been made by this guy called as Lygium. Okay, so let's have a look into the WhatsApp message of this guy Lygium, that has he got the message. Okay, so yes, he has got the message and it reads like, thank you for purchase, Mr. Miss Lygium O'Reilly. Your product fly repellent fan will be delivered at this address, S10 Get Lane, Bhopal. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new purchase is made in Shopify, it will be reflected as a message in WhatsApp.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using PabliConnect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabli.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabli.com. It's awesome. Thanks.